The price of Bitcoin in 2026 is not going to go up because the price of Bitcoin in 2026 is going to go mega up. You better believe that. Right now, we're seeing Bitcoin get above the 21 and 50-day moving averages for the first time in over 2 months. And as you guys know, that looks pretty big. And it's the beginning of something potentially even bigger. We're less than 2 days into this new year of 2026, and some really big things are happening. One, Bitcoin is completely dominating gold. I can't believe it. Gold has just been doing so badly this year. Look at this. Gold is currently down about 0.14% this year. Horrible performance. Whereas Bitcoin this year is up almost 1.4%. Unbelievable. Gold is dead and Bitcoin is here to keep pumping. We also see that Bitcoin compared with silver just hit a 5-year support, and the last 2 times this happened, Bitcoin has gone up, further making me pretty much as bullish as I could ever be, as bullish, and it should be making you extremely bullish as well. 2016, Bitcoin tapped 7K and then went to 69K. Nice. And then in 2020, it tapped 30K and then went to 124K. Nice. Oh, sorry. That was in 2023, not 2024. He corrected it here. 2020 was 69K. Nice. And 2023 was, you know what? I think he has his dates completely wrong, actually. Anyway, the point is when Bitcoin and silver hit their 5-year support, it went up. Okay. Also, Bitcoin whales are buying at an unprecedented pace. What do they know? If anyone knows anything, it's maybe like CZ or some big whales or something. But it is absolutely factual that all these new whales are buying. And the price of Bitcoin, as we all know, let's be honest here. The price of Bitcoin has been the most boring that I think it's ever been. This is my 8th year. Actually, wait. Have I been in crypto for like 9 years now? I mean, it's 2026, so maybe like 9 or 10 years. Crazy. So I've been invested in Bitcoin for like 9 or 10 years now. I'm not exactly sure, but basically guaranteed 9 years, maybe 10 years. And this is the most boring that I've seen it. And the biggest reason, as we all know, is because this last run that we saw was incredibly boring, especially for altcoins. Bitcoin went up a decent amount, but altcoins just were so boring. But I think that because of how boring it is now, because of how dead it seems, I think that will then lend itself to the biggest pump we've ever seen. And it's coming. And it might even be sooner than some people think. The insider Bitcoin whale has now a long position of about $1 billion almost of Bitcoin, ETH, and Solana. We're seeing massive whales go long here. We have seen the price of Bitcoin be very boring since pretty much the beginning of November. It's been very dumpy since October, and then it just has been sideways since then. But guys, look where we've been. We have nearly like 7 weekly candles sitting exactly at this like $90,000 level. We see the MACD is looking like it's completely ready to shoot up massively. Last time it curved up like this, Bitcoin went from 69K, nice, up to well over 100K. Same thing, we're going to get a bullish cross in the next week or so on the RSI. Extremely bullish. Things on the higher term time frames are setting up to be very bullish. The daily is already also showing the same thing. We're above this blue line, the 50-day moving average, for the first time since getting rejected on it back in October. So things are starting to heat up. This boring period, this sideways period at a low, is exactly what you want to see before things start to get exciting and pumpy again. And most importantly, we have not set any lower lows. Here we have a low, higher low, higher low. The structure is still intact. Even though it's boring, believe me, I know it's very boring, but everything is still bueno. Muchos bueno even. For my Spanish speakers out there, I've been learning Spanish. Muchos big, muchos grande, very bueno, bueno. So absolutely, I couldn't be more bullish if you took me into an operating room and reassigned my gender to literally a bull. I couldn't even be more bullish if I was literally, physically, biologically a bull. January, the rally starts according to Chiefy. February, alt season. March, Bitcoin 240K. I love this. based on nothing. These are my favorite types of posts. But hey, it's bullish, so let's talk about it. Wow, that's really bullish. So ETF buyers are not backing down and have bought over 20 billion of BYBIT in just 2025, making it the only ETF in 2025 flow leaderboard with negative returns. Do they not care about the infamous 4-year cycle? In my opinion, the 4-year cycle is dead. Things are about to get extremely big for crypto and Bitcoin, specifically Bitcoin. There's a million reasons. This boringness that we've seen, I think, is the ultimate precursor or the ultimate necessity for why I think we're going to go up a lot higher. Nobody's talking about it, right? We just had Thanksgiving and Christmas over the last few months. Did anyone's family talk about crypto? Was anyone like excited to buy? No. Nobody's been excited to buy Bitcoin or crypto for months. Maybe an entire year. It's been so boring, right? But that's exactly how these pre-pumps start. When everyone's excited, that's close to a top. And again, we never got euphoria. We never got that excitement, potentially leading us to the biggest bull run of all time. It's only a matter of time before Bitcoin catches up to gold and silver, which have both been exploding, just completely going vertical. Historically, a very good sign for Bitcoin, what's to come for Bitcoin. And look at this. Do you see this chart? This chart fits my confirmation bias. Therefore, I'm showing it extremely bullishly. And we did just have a bullish cross on this Bitcoin indicator in 2012. Went from 15 to 1K, massive dump, then 400 to 20K in 2016. $15 to 1K, massive pump. 9,000 to 69,000, nice. The bullish indicator on the stochastic 10-year, US 10-year, has just shown us that something big's going to come. And the crazy part about where we are right now for Bitcoin price is that because we've been so dumpy, we've gotten completely the fear and greed. Every momentum oscillator has just bottomed, basically, has cratered to lows that we only see at the depths of bear markets. Basically, in my opinion, right, that only shows us that there's one way to go from here, and that's up. If you eat enough food, your belly will expand. And then after a while, you got to get rid of that food. And right now, our bellies are really full because we've been getting dumped on and we've been shoveling the dump in our face. But eventually, and I think that's coming very, very soon, you can only hold it in so much longer. You can only hold it in for so long before you just absolutely have to pump. And that's what I'm feeling right now. That's what makes sense. And really, it's as simple as that. What's going on with the rest of everything? US dollar is still sideways. Gold has still been... Looks like it topped out, right? On the daily, it looks like it's still... Oh, it actually did rally back a couple days ago at the end of the year up to new highs. Big dump on the 29th. Look at this. Ooh, this is a very big sign right here, actually. First time looking at this. Look at this bearish divergence where we have the RSI printing a lower high and the price printing a higher high. Got some bearish divergence. If anything, even more indicative and more telling that gold actually has topped out, in my opinion. Ooh, not a good sign, potentially, for gold. But where will that go? You guessed it. The big B word. Bitcoin. Bone coin. Bone me once, shame on you. So that's extremely big. I'm extremely bullish. The tips are about to touch, as they say, on this chart right here. Let me move my camera or move this. The tips are about to touch. And we all know that when the tips touch, things get extremely nutty. And let's just say 2026 will be the year of the... A lot of people are saying that this is the year of the... What is it in the Chinese zodiac? Was last year the year of the snake or something? And this year's like something? This is the year of the tips touching. It's the year of the bone-ing. It's the year of the pumping. And if you don't think Bitcoin's about to pump, I have some news for you. Get pumped on. But if you're interested in buying Bitcoin or any altcoins, sign up with the link to FEMX below. Buy better BITUNIX as well. Without any further ado,